AI is revolutionizing the real estate landscape in the USA. And it's fascinating to see how it's reshaping the industry. Imagine using AI algorithms to analyze market trends in real time, helping investors make data-driven decisions. Property valuation has become more accurate, thanks to machine learning models that assess countless variables. AI-powered chatbots are enhancing customer service, providing instant responses to inquiries, and streamlining the buying process. Predictive analytics can identify emerging neighborhoods, giving savvy investors a competitive edge. Even virtual tours are being enhanced with AI, offering immersive experiences that attract potential buyers from anywhere. With AI, we're not just investing in properties, we're investing smarter, leveraging technology to maximize returns and minimize risks. If you're serious about real estate, embracing these innovations is essential. Comment yes if you're ready to dive into this exciting new era of property investing.